you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will keep the content coming. Follow us on social media. We post these videos on a daily basis. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Mercedes-Benz SL 550, freshwater flood damage. This vehicle actually was not submerged in water. What happened was the owner during the recent storms decided to drive through a semi-deep puddle, which looks like it was right by the license plate. You can see the water line here. And what happens with these Mercedes is that they have ducts very low to the ground, and it sucked water into the air intake in through here, and then the motor hydro locks. And what happens is the car stall out, it'll shut off, and they don't know why, and call their insurance company. The insurance companies will then think that the motor locked and is bad because they don't have experience with these vehicles, and we'll write it up for our engine and total the car. And that's where we come in. We've been doing this over 25 years, so we'll start to pull the plugs on the car, take the intakes off, and get the motor to spin, pull all the water out, make sure there's no water in the cylinder heads, crank the motor, get all the water out, completely dry it out, change all the filters, change everything, and now we freed up the motor and this car runs. We have all the plastic covers and hoses and everything that we're gonna completely reassemble to complete the vehicle. So the good thing about these cars when they suck water in through the intake is that no water goes inside. Car stalls out before they drive deeper into the puddle and really do some damage. As you can see, 1,400 miles. It's a 2020. We're going to complete this vehicle, bring it back to its original state. The body's really clean. We haven't even detailed it yet. No scratches, no dents. You got Parktronic. It's going to come out real nice. When we're done rebuilding it completely, somebody will have the opportunity to save about 40% off retail for a pretty new vehicle. As you can see, there was no water inside this vehicle, just the windows were down when we got it, so it's a little dusty from sitting at a shop. Carpet's dry. No water entered this vehicle. There was no odor, no smell, just dust. We're gonna clean it up real nice. As soon as we're done, we will update the website and show you the progress we've made, and bringing this vehicle back to life. Thanks for watching.